Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers. So from the junior classes already you have known how to add and how to subtract the decimal numbers. But in this class we will talk about some common mistakes that you may have at the time of solving your question. Okay, so first of all we will start with the addition of the decimal. So we have taken a question that what have to do, add these decimal numbers. Okay, we have to add these decimal numbers. So first of all, how to arrange this number by the suitable way, this is the main thing. Okay, and at this time most of the students used to do the mistakes. They don't know what is the proper way to arrange. Okay, so first of all you should know what is the proper way to arrange. So let's see how we can arrange these decimal numbers to add. Okay, so first of all, first one is what? 2.35. so first of all 2.35. second one 0.334. so 0.334. some of the students used to write like this, 0.334. now I am telling you that this 3 is at the position of whose? 3 or 5? Can you tell? That means this 3 will be below of this 3 or below of 5. So obviously we can tell this is the first digit after the point, and this is also first digit after the point. So this 3 should be exactly below this 3. Clear? And this 3 is the second digit, and here second digit is what? 5. So this 3 exactly should be below 5. Clear? And this is the third digit, and here there is no any third digit, so no problem, third digit will be different. You have to write like this. Okay, exactly digit by digit you have to write. Otherwise if anywhere you will write, then at the time of addition you may have difficulties, and wherever your examiner will check your copy, they will have some problem to check your copy. Okay, so please ignore this type of mistakes, common mistakes that most of the students used to do, this type of mistakes. Okay, then here 356. How can we write 356 here? Right, like this, 356. No, 356 already I told you. 356, any natural number or any natural number we can write in the form of decimal. How? Suppose 5 we can write decimal. How? 5.0. That means 356 we can write it as 356.0. already I told you about this thing, 356.0. so how to write 356.0 here? That means this thing, 356 is equals to, we can write it what? 356.0. okay, now this thing we have to write here, and how we can write it? Let's see how we are writing here. So first of all, point, below this point you have to write this point written. Then just before the point you are having here 0, but before the point you are having here 6. So below 0 you have to write 6, and before 0 no any digit, so no problem here. Before 6, 5, so here will be 5 at the blank space, and before 5 also it is 3, so here before 5 here also blank space, so no problem, you can write 3 at the blank space. Okay, now after point it is 0, so no problem. Clear? So now do concentrate here how we have written 356 here, how we have written 356 here to arrange. Okay, now plus 0.7033. so first of all, point by point, below this point you have to write this point, then before point 0, after 0.7, so after below this 0 you have to write 7, and below this 3 you have to write what? 0. Then below this 4, third digit here 4, and say third digit 3, so below this 4 you have to write down 3, and after that you are having again 3, so after that there is no digit, so you have to write the last 3 at the blank space. Okay, now you have to add these decimal numbers. But now wherever after arranging this thing, means after arranging till here, what have to do, you have to fill all the blank space with 0. You have to fill all the blank space with 0. That means here below 5 0, below 3 0, here also below 3 0, that means second digit blank, so second is 0, here third digit blank, third is 0, fourth digit blank 0, here fourth digit blank 0, here third digit blank 0, fourth digit 0, and here second digit 0, third digit 0, here also second digit 0, third digit 0. Now you can see all the blank spaces we have filled already with the 0. Okay, this is the correct way, and this is easy to understand. Like this way you have to arrange the integers, and to arrange this thing most of the students used to do mistakes. They don't know what is the proper way to arrange the decimal numbers. Okay, whenever you are adding or subtracting, first of all you should know what is the proper way to arrange the decimal number. Okay, now easily we can add it. So first of all 3. Now you forget that you are having the decimal number. Suppose you will think we are not having any decimal. So first of all 4 3 7, 5 3 8, 7 and 3 10, 10 and 3 13, carry 1, and 6 to 8, 8 and 1 9. Okay, 5 3. And now below this point, serially, you can say serially pointer coming, point will be here, and this is the correct way to add the decimal numbers, and this is also the correct way to arrange the decimal numbers for addition or subtraction. Okay, so first of all you will pause the video to note it down, then we will go forward. Now we will see some common mistakes that students uses to do at the time of subtraction. Okay, mostly students used to do this type of mistakes. Okay, and what types of mistakes I'm going to show you. Okay, suppose your question is subtract this one from this one, and the students before reading this question carefully, directly they used to start like this: 2 5 3 7 minus 5 3 2 4.734. Here they have done correct. Wherever they have got understood this one, that this thing means natural number, means natural number 0.00, they directly used to do this. Even they don't read the question carefully. Okay, don't do this type of mistake. First of all, read the question carefully that you are given. Okay, so what is the question given here? Subtract this thing, subtract this number from this number. From means what? Subtract this number from this number. इस number from means क्या? से. इस number से इस number को subtract करो. Subtract this number means subtract करो इस number को. किससे? From this number. इस number से इस number को subtract करो. That means what? This one minus this one. That means second one minus first one. Okay, that means whenever you will have subtract this one from this one, that means what? Second one minus first one. That means second number minus first number. Or otherwise how you can understand that you have to subtract second one minus first one? It is very easy. How? You have to check the both number very carefully. Which is the biggest number here? You can see here 5324.734 and here 2537. Okay, so easily we can tell 5000, that means this number is bigger than this number. That means we cannot subtract this number from this number. That means this thing, if we will do, that we cannot do this. Why? Because this is 5324 is the biggest one. That means this number is the bigger than this number, so we cannot subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. We cannot do it. So that you should read the question very carefully first, then you should start to solve it. So first of all, already we have known that how to understand that from which number to which number we have to subtract. First of all, you have to check the number which is the biggest one. That number you have to write first. That means 5224 and here 2537. This number is the biggest one. So 5324.734. And below these digits you have to write this number. Accurate digit by digit you have to write all the digits. Okay, so here 2537, that means 2537.0. so point, that means 2537, you can write it this number as 2537.0. so first of all, below this point you will write this point. Okay, and before this point you are having what? 7, and before this point you are having 4. so below 4 you have to write 7, below 2 you have to write 3, below this 3 you have to write 5, below this 5 you have to write 2, and below this 7 you have to write 0, and these are the blank spaces, so you have to fill with 0, then you have to subtract. Now you can see here exactly digit by digit, digit by digit, digit by digit, digit by digit we have written. It is the correct way to arrange. Now we have to subtract. So here 437.7 carry 1, 314, 8 carry 1, 5 and 1, 6, 7 carry 1, 3 to 5. So this is the answer. This is the difference between two numbers. Okay, so these are the common mistakes that the students used to do at the time of addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers. Okay, and in this video this much only for you, and in next video we will talk about the division and multiplication of the decimal numbers, and we will talk about the word problem, trick of the word problem of the decimal numbers. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.